Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Google Doc you want to edit and view it full screen. Double-click the top margin of any page to open the header area. When you double-click, you will see a faint box and the header controls appear. The document shows header text, images, or blank space you want to remove. Make sure you are editing the header and not the body text. This step prepares you to delete header content or adjust header size. Click inside the header box and use your mouse or keyboard to select all header content. Press Delete or Backspace to remove text, images, or page numbers from the header. If the document uses a different first page header, open Options and toggle Different First Page off or adjust it separately. Clearing the header removes visible items, but often leaves the header space intact. Do not close the header area, yet with the header still active, open the top menu and choose Format, then Headers and Footers. In that dialog, find the header size field and change it to 0. 0 inches to remove top space. If your document started at 0. 79 inches, replacing it with 0. 0 inches removes the leftover gap. Click Apply to commit the size change for the document or section. Scroll through pages to confirm the header space is gone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.